I want to welcome everyone back to another episode of Generational Investors. And I'm the one, the only Coach Flo. And today we are talking about crypto. That's right. The top 4 crypto that I'm looking to continue to add to my portfolio. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is financial education. You always have to do your due diligence. You always have to do your homework. And today I'm going to share with you my plays and also where the takeaways and life application. You stay tuned towards the end that will continue to inspire you on your financial journey. Let's talk about Bitcoin. That's right. The king of crypto. They call it the digital gold. They call it the store of value. Okay. And with the way we finished off last year, Bitcoin hit an all-time high, and been doing my research. And as we get 2026 underway and I believe that we heading into something major for crypto. And why you ask? Because they looking to get that Clarity Act. They looking to get that crypto bill finally passed. Okay. Definitely last year was just a precursor for where crypto will be going. And I know it's still early with crypto, but for those who believe in crypto, Bitcoin could, by the end of this year, hit 150 to 200K. Another milestone, another all-time high. Bitcoin has a lot of usage and a lot of politicians, a lot of institutions buy Bitcoin. Definitely buy Bitcoin. So remember to do your due diligence. Bitcoin, I say, treat it like a savings account. Treat it like a savings account, but do not put more than you can afford. Let's talk about Ethereum. They saying that it's predicted to outperform Bitcoin this year. And I believe that there's a high probability. That's a high chance, because last year Ethereum really didn't really make that push that really people was looking for it to do. And for where there was delays on the projects or upgrades and things that really didn't work out in Ethereum favor. But I believe this year we can be looking at a recovery. And this one right here, by the end of this year, analysts are saying at the minimum, we could see a 75 to 9,000 Ethereum. And if all things work, as was the upgrades, where it's any type of catalyst news for Ethereum that they want to push out, this one could hit 15K. And the latest prediction for 2030, they're saying this can hit 40K because of the institution and because of a lot of people like Tom Lee. Got to Google him. But for those who know about Tom Lee, he's one of like the spokesperson for Ethereum. He owns a company called Big Mind, and he is really, and I do mean really, bullish on Ethereum. He has a lot of Ethereum. He holds a lot of Ethereum, so he is very bullish. And we're going to wait and see what Ethereum is going to do. But like, I'm long term and do not, and I mean not, plan on selling. Going to ride the wave for this one for years to come. And if you stay tuned towards this, XRP. That's right. Shout out to all my XRP holders, all my XRP army out there. XRP ETF last year was just the beginning. The ETF inflows, it was some discrepancy. Yes, it was some delays. Don't get me wrong, but overall, XRP is still the major player in the crypto space because of the institutional adoption that is just waiting. It's just waiting. That's all. All these different institutions like the banks, all these institutions like Chase and Wells Fargo, Morgan Stanley, all these Black Rocks, they are buying XRP. They are buying XRP. And hopefully you are buying XRP too, because this one right here is that one that has some major potential, massive potential. That's right, massive potential to really shake the crypto space, really move the market. And that's why they keep on suppressing it. That's why they keep on manipulating the price, because overall, in due time, this one will have a say so. This one will have a say so in where the crypto space will go in the near future. And another crypto that I've been holding for a while, since 2021 as well, is Solana. This one has high transaction speed, a low cost, growing ecosystem like the DeFi, NFTs, and the gaming. Solana is another sleeper that you cannot count out, and you shouldn't count out. I'm just doing my research, and Solana, this one could one day go to 1,000, if not more. Okay, especially if things continue to move in Solana's favor with developing and with the DeFi, with the NFTs, and just don't get me started with gaming, because gaming is changing as we speak. And long as Solana is partnership within that space, Solana will be okay. And so if you stay tuned towards this portion, gotta have the takeaways, the AKA life applications that you can apply today. Remember, research, do your homework, stay informed with all these different upgrades and projects that continue to be pushed out with crypto. You got to stay informed. You got to go do your homework. You got to do your due diligence. And remember, do not put more than you can afford, which brings me to my next point. Highly speculated. This is highly speculated. Okay. This is not just numbers being thrown out. You have different analysts who have different opinions. They are constantly looking at other developers and owners and partnerships and collaborations. All that is played into the speculation, and it is risky. Crypto is risky. Yes, it is. So do not put more than you can afford. That means bill money, mortgage money, rent money, grocery money, water bill money, credit card. Do what you can do and do what's best for you. I'll leave it at that. Okay. So don't gamble, not with crypto, because you will lose a lot of money. And watch for scammers. With crypto, you have a lot of people out who are scamming. You have a lot of people who saying, if you buy this, you buy that, you join this, you join that. All you got to do is just send me this or send me that. And beware. There are scammers out here, and get you a ledger. I got me a ledger. And for those who don't know what a ledger is, Google crypto ledger or any ledger. All right, I got a nano ledger. There's so many different type of ledgers out there, but get it off these exchanges, because these exchanges, you never know what might happen. Things might get shut down. And like I said, got scammers out here who looking to take what you are trying to build and what you're trying to create, which is financial freedom. So you have to be aware, stay vigilant, because you have some evil, corrupt people out here. So if you have enjoyed this episode, let me know in the comment below. Do you got some XRP? Do you got some Solana? Do you got some Ethereum? Do you got some Bitcoin? Let me know. And hopefully we continue, if we are consistent, if we are continue to stay diligent with our studies and applying these practical knowledges, these practical principles, we're going to win and we will become financially free and head to where? The promised land. See you next one. Peace.